Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, chapter 26. So here it is. Let's read the story. Changi said the one thing. Do you think I am unscrupulous for the heat? Oh, right now, reasonable use of rules and proper use of some means. This is compulsory course for the adults. Nothing to say, but 1 yard is one code and being scolded is always not a good thing. One thing said to Shangi, that's it, forget what you were scolded and cried for. Send you a photo of the alternative dress first. I will go to the studio to see the real thing. Everyone seems to be busy, especially Shangi, also the secretary. But for Tang Wangding, she was only looking at them. Suddenly, search on the Weibo. Rely on. Did you want to die? You are Shangi who asked you to post on Weibo. It has been sent. Even if it's deleted in seconds, the marketing account must be moved. Her friend said, I really owe you my last life. Well, definitely right now. We've been trying to fix what Shangi does. On the other hand, looking at Shangi, looking forward to the second cooperation with Tang Wangting's studio, we will see you on Friday night. I thought she was sophisticated. Hey, Miss Meng, something's a little bit. Right now, looking at one thing, she was calling Shangi. Don't tell me, you're still a love brain. One thing said to Shangi. Well, definitely she is. Right now, Shangi, not necessarily. In this case, it was lying to you. Oh, that was tough. Shangi moved closer to one thing. Deliberately make you feel guilty and have to be nice to me. Oh, she's really tricky person. Right now, Shangi. Hunting grabbed her and suddenly said, how good. Now, this is really getting crazy. Wanting moved closer to her and pecked on her cheeks. Definitely, she wanted to tease her because she was always teasing her. Right now, like this, don't get me wrong, just goodbye kiss. Now, the notice has been issued and look forward to your performances. I'm leaving first and a bunch of things are waiting for me to arrange. Now, look at her. She was really laughing. Of course, she really scored on her. Yes, this dress is not left by the others. Well, it turns out, one thing, she can be tricky also, and it really make her feel so bad. Looking at her, she was only looking at the shadows of one thing. Well, definitely, what a treasure. You don't talk to me. It's okay to buy you a bag after this time. Then, I want the Hermes Kelly orange, lychee pattern. Okay, Shangi, looks here. Yes, smile. Shang, look here. It turns out, it was a runway model. And now, she's been modeling the dress. Right now, Shangi, waving her hands. Hello, audience, friends. Wow, he has reached a new height again. And it really did not disappoint everyone for posting on Weibo. So it turns out everything went well. Speaking of Suki, she is wanting for you in front of her. Then we'll see you later meaning. What are you waiting here? Well, I want to talk to you. Right now, it was Suki. Well, long time for these two ladies. Of course, right now. Long time no see. How is your reunion progress? Recently, I learned a new word called Confrontations Road Couple. How about you? The progress bar runs quite fast. I don't know if there's any end point. Let's encourage each other. Getting better to each other. Tell all your love in the crowd. Well, definitely, Rashangi with her ex-girlfriend. And now, what will happen next? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!